Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book concert tickets on Trip.com. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Trip.com deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Trip.com is a global online travel service that lets you book flights, hotels, trains, and car rentals with ease. It is convenient, secure, and offers competitive deals to help travelers plan trips worldwide. To book concert tickets on Trip.com, first open the Trip.com website in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not already have one, you will need to sign up before moving forward. On the left panel, you will find different options. Then, click on Attractions and Tours. You will find different options in the middle line of the screen. Swipe towards the right side using the arrow icon. Now, click on All. Here, it will show you all the activities founded. You can also choose the destination of your own choice. It will also give you the search bar to search for attractions or local attractions and tours. For example, if you want to search for a concert, type concert in the search bar. After that, choose the area from the given options. You can swipe down to see more local areas that have concerts. Here, it is the Raymond Lamb concert. You can book the tickets on the Trip.com app. It will also show you the map showing you the exact location of the venue. You can also claim for the gift packs by hitting the Claim button. To get the Trip.com app, you can scan the QR code on the right. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even the Trip.com deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.